In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh all opened tabs at once in Google Chrome. If you're like most of us, you probably have multiple tabs open at any given time, and sometimes you just need a fresh start across the board. Maybe you've been troubleshooting or you're gearing up for a focused work session. Perhaps an extension update or a network tweak could use a clean slate to integrate smoothly. No matter the reason, learning to quickly refresh all your tabs can be a real time saver. Let's dive into this nifty trick. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Chrome browser where you have several tabs open. Start by clicking on the first tab. This initial click will select it, setting the stage for selecting everything in between. This approach is simple but effective when you want to impact all tabs simultaneously without having to deal with each one individually. Next, find your Shift key on the keyboard and press it down. Keep it held down. It's crucial for the next step. The Shift key is what allows you to select multiple items at once, in this case, those tabs that you'd like to refresh all together. Holding it down ensures that you're lining up to select the range you need. Now, while still holding down that Shift key, move over to the last tab you have open and give it a click. By doing this, you've essentially highlighted all the tabs from the first one you clicked to this last one. This feature is excellent for managing your workspace efficiently, especially when you're juggling a large number of tasks. With all the tabs selected, you're just a right click away from refreshing them all. Glide your cursor over to the tab you most recently clicked and give it a right click. Look for the option labeled Reload in the context menu that appears. Once you spot it, click on it. In a moment's time, you'll see all your selected tabs begin to reload. Refreshing them in unison means each tab gets a fresh chance to display any new data or changes that have happened while they were open. Just like that, every tab you selected reloads and you're ready to go. This straightforward method can really streamline your workflow, especially when you're working in a browser-heavy environment. Giving your tabs a collective refresh can enhance performance, reduce glitches, or simply help you regain focus. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this little trick comes in handy the next time you find yourself with a myriad of Chrome tabs on the go.